Supreme Court Judge Vivienne Harris is to begin her summation tomorrow at the murder trial of Police Constable Collis Chucky Brown. This means that the jury will get the case early next week. Constable Brown, who is accused of being a member of the Clarendon Police Death Squad, is on trial for the murder of Demoy Gutty Dawkins, Dwayne Douglas and Andrew Ferron. TVJ's Anthony Lugg has the details.
It cannot be conviction at all costs, said defense attorney Norman Godfrey. Yesterday, most of his closing arguments was spent blasting Indicom for its actions in getting information from his client. Today was similar, but to a lesser extent. This afternoon, during his final arguments, Mr. Godfrey sought to drive home his point that his client must be freed. He told the jury that Constable Brown was not seeking favors or their sympathy, but insisted that the prosecutors have failed to prove a case against him on the 5 counts on the indictment. Mr. Godfrey urged the jury to reject the testimonies of the witnesses put forward by what he called the Indicom prosecutors. Now, you'd remember earlier in the case, it was revealed that Brown received recording devices from Indicom investigators to record incriminating evidence on his co-workers and senior officers. That evidence was not forthcoming. According to the defense attorney, Indicom turned their back on his client when he did not provide incriminating evidence. He said the prosecutors and the witnesses have failed to prove the 3 counts of murder, conspiracy to murder, and wounding with intent as set out in the indictment. So what happens next? Well, Supreme Court Judge Vivienne Harris is to begin her summation tomorrow. That could continue until Monday, and then the jury is expected to deliberate and return a verdict sometime next week.